Which of the following is true about the highlighted text? Now, the highlighted text is at the very bottom of the passage in the fourth paragraph, and it says that global warming is the reason for the environmental change, and there is no confusion about it. And after saying this, the author departs. So, we need to answer this question in this context. Let's look at the answer choices. The author is now proceeding to explore more regions. The passage makes no suggestion about where the author is going, whether he's going to explore more regions after he departs from this particular place. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, it suggests the author's satisfied departure. Now there is no reference to whether the author is satisfied. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, it indicates a paradox between global warming and our dependence on activities that perpetuate the phenomenon. Now, if we read this paragraph in the context of the passage, it is talking about no confusion about global warming. That means everyone knows or everyone agrees that global warming is the reason for the change in the environment. But passage also mentions that the author left in his Land Cruiser exuding black smoke and rushed to the airplane. So even if the author knows that global warming is the reason, he is still dependent on vehicles that contribute to global warming. So that is the thought here. So this answer choice, which says that it's a paradox between global warming and our dependence on activities that perpetuate the phenomenon, this is a good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Answer choice D, it indicates that author cannot resolve the issue of global warming. The passage doesn't comment on the author's ability to resolve the global warming issue. So this answer choice cannot be established. Answer choice E, it shows that vehicles, not factories, are primarily responsible for global warming. Yes, the passage makes a reference to vehicles, so this answer choice can be eliminated as well. So C is the correct answer.